Namaste friends, I am Vijeta, your yoga coach. Welcome to Pinaki Yoga. Today's video is regarding Lola Asana or swinging position, how to do it properly and what should be your preparations before doing it. So stay there, we're going to start it right now. So for Lola Asana or swinging position, two things are required. Number one, flexibility in your legs, and number two, there should be enough strength in your forearms, in your wrist to lift your complete body weight. So number one, flexibility in your legs, because you need to do Padmasana. So for Padmasana, you need enough flexibility in your legs so that you are able to cross your legs like this. To improve your flexibility in your legs in your lower portion, you can check out my stretching playlist, and also you can click up here or down in the description box. Number two, strength in your wrist, in your forearms. So it's better to do some little warm up for your forearms, for your wrist and for your arms. So what we're going to do is, we're going to do cherry pickers. So for cherry pickers, you need to come to this position, okay? Completely straight your elbow, lock your elbow completely and make a fist and open it. So make a tight fist and do it fast for 30 seconds. So Lola Asana, again, it is an advanced posture and it needs immense strength from your core and actual strength from your wrist and from your forearms. So you need to engage each and every muscle of your forearm, of your finger, of your wrist, and it's good if you warm up for your wrist, for your forearms. So do it for 30 seconds. 3, 2 and 1. Slowly release. Next thing is, you can do wrist flexion. Make a fist. Come to this position. Keep your elbow, your arm completely straight in front of you and draw your wrist completely inward like this. So make a tight fist so that you can feel the burning and you can feel the pain in your forearm area. We're going to do it 30 seconds. 3, 2 and 1. Slowly release. Next, for your wrist warm up, what we're going to do is, come to the tabletop position. Keep your palms under your shoulders and do not keep your fingers completely flat on the ground. Just flex your fingers little bit because you need to stop your body while going forward with the help of your fingers. Okay? So inhale, while exhaling, draw your body completely forward. Stay here for a few seconds and slowly come back. Again inhale, draw your body completely forward. So you need to feel this pressure and this pain in your wrist, in your forearm area. And slowly come back. Again inhale, while exhaling, draw your body forward. Stop here, flex your fingers. Feel the pressure in your wrist and slowly come back. Relax. Shake your wrist like this and rotate clockwise, anti-clockwise. Relax. Now come to the cross leg position or Padmasana, lotus posture. Now slowly inhale. Take your chest out. Exhale. Contract your chest completely and draw your ribs into the spine. Head in. Inhale. While exhaling, pull your ribs towards the spine completely. Head down. Contract your chest. Inhale. While exhaling, inhale. While exhaling, slowly relax. So you need to remember this exhale position while you are drawing your ribs completely inward towards the spine and contracting your chest and keeping your head down. So remember this position in your swinging posture. So for Lola Asana or swinging position, you need flexibility in your legs. So you need to first come to the Padmasana, cross legs like this. Now take help of your props like this, and if you really want to make it easy, you can keep your bricks like this instead of this. Okay. Keep your bricks close to your hips, not too much behind your body and not too much forward. Now keep it close to your body like this, and remember that exhale position. Draw your ribs in completely towards the spine, contract your chest, head completely down, and focus on your hips and lift your body. So you need to first lift your hips and then try to lift your legs. And while exhaling, lift your body. Apply force from your hands, from your forearms, from your wrist, and slowly take it down. Now again we're going to do it. Keep your bricks close to your body and in line to your hips. Inhale. While exhaling, remember this position of exhale. Draw your ribs in, chest contracted, head down. Exhale, apply pressure, force from your hands and lift your body. And now swing. Slowly take it down and relax. So again, this is the advanced position and it needs immense strength from your core. So again, you need to focus on your core and draw your ribs in. Exhale, keep your head down and contract your chest. So remember this position, and if you're going to prepare this position like this is going to be easy for you. Thank you for watching, friends. That's it for today's guys. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, please hit the like button, share this video to your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel Pinaki Yoga for further updates. I'll meet you soon next week, next video. Till then, take care, stay fit, stay healthy.